Well, alright, it's Sunday up at the tiny house, and a big project for the weekend was to find a carpet and a pad and get it down. So that's what I did. It was a relatively simple project, didn't take a lot of time. But the hard part for the project was finding the carpet and the pad. The pad was simple. I found a remnant piece. Not quite as big as the room, but I got some extra little pieces to fill in the ends, and I got some tape. We'll tape it together and be done. The carpet, however, took some searching, but I did find a nice heavy-duty area rug carpet that didn't have a ton of pattern to it. It has border on the outside that's a lighter brown, and it has a darker brown on the inside, and it's a really thick, nice carpet. I like it. It definitely improves the temperature on the floor in this room. So, kind of excited about it. Makes this tiny house look really, really done. Surprised these little finishes, these little details are actually where it really starts coming together. Every step is a big deal, but when you start putting these little things together, then it really starts to feel like you're getting somewhere. So I will say this, that when I came in, I was just in town, and I came in and you open the door and you see the carpet down, and it's like, wow, I gotta take my shoes off. How nice is that? And it's comfortable on your feet, and I really like it. So one more step to do. We got a carpet, the stairs going up into both lofts. Take that on next weekend. We'll get a video on that. And as far as this end of the tiny house goes, it's pretty well complete. So looking forward to kind of using it and relaxing in it for the next few hours. So I hope you enjoy the video, and thanks for watching.